Hey friends, if you wish to fix slow boot up in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. So, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window and type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. Now this will open the power options window. Click on choose what the power buttons do. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Now find this option here which says turn on fast startup. Make sure that this is checked. Then click on save changes and this will help you boot it up way faster. Now if this does not help, then straight away search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and click on disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all the boxes here. Click on OK and then select delete files. After this, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.